Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to turn off invisible mode on Waze. Invisible mode allows you to use Waze without sharing your location or activity with friends and other users to turn it off and make your presence visible again. Start by opening the Waze app. And click on the three dot on the top left. Click on Settings. Scroll down until you find the option called Privacy. Click on Privacy to turn off invisible mode on Waze. Just toggle it off. As you can see, I have already toggled it off. First, disabling invisible mode. Your status will update, and other ways users will be able to see your drives and estimated time of arrival. If you have set, you can also manage who sees your location by adjusting privacy settings for each trip. Turning off invisible mode is useful if you want to share your location for carpooling, meetup, or letting friends know when you will arrive safely. Remember, you can always toggle it back on whenever you prefer. Privacy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos